Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly find the IP address of your HP Deskjet printer. Now, you usually need the IP address when the printer is offline, not detected on Wi-Fi, or when adding it manually to a computer. So the good news here is that there are two easy ways to find it and both take less than a minute. So the fastest way of finding the IP address of your printer is with the help of your HP Smart application. So you need to open your HP Smart application, which is going to look something like this. Now, among the given options that you see here on the home page, you need to look for the option of printer information or the advanced settings. Now, if you are not able to find the option of printer information on this page, you can just click on the settings icon over here. After clicking on the settings, you will be landed inside the settings of your HP printer. Now, among these options, I want you to come here on this advanced section. Over here in the advanced section, you will notice that we have the printer information option. So when you click on the printer information option, you are going to see your IP address, which is going to look something like this. It might be different in your case, but all in all, it is going to look something like this. So that is your printer's network address. Now, if you don't have the application or you can't access it, you can also use the printer itself. On most of the HP Deskjet models, you just have to simply press the wireless button and the black copy button. So if I take you to the up, you just have to press this cancel button, which is going to be the first button. After that, you need to press the black copy button. So it is going to be this particular button over here. So when you press both of these together for 5 seconds, the printer will print a network configuration page. On that page, you need to look for the line that says IP address, and that's the number that you need. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.